Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah aka Dada Fateh Khan, Radio Pakistan Hyderabad, and the great artist of Pakistan television. The land of Sindh has produced many eminent personalities in the field of literature, culture, music and art. Among these great personalities, the name of Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah alias Dada Fateh Khan is taken with great respect and devotion. He was an artist who made a place in millions of hearts through his voice, acting, present response and public style. It is not possible to mention the golden age of Radio Pakistan Hyderabad and not the name of Dada Fateh Khan. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah started his artistic life in a period when radio was the main source of entertainment, education and information for the people. In villages and cities, people would gather around the radio and listen to the programs and get used to the voices of their favorite artists. In those days, a voice emerged which later became the identity of the entire Sindh. This voice belonged to Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah. Thanks to his art, he created a character that became a living tradition over time. This character was Dada Fateh Khan. This role reflected the rural society, cultural traditions, public issues, and daily life of Sindh. Dada Fateh Khan was not just a fictitious character, but the voice of the common man of Sindh. Early in life, Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah belonged to a respected Sadat family. From his childhood, he had a deep love for literature, culture, and language. Fluency, politeness in pronunciation, and charm in tone were prominent in his conversation. These qualities later became the basis of their success. After getting education, he worked in various fields, but his original inclination was towards fine arts. In those days, Radio Pakistan Hyderabad was making new developments and special attention was being paid to the preparation of programs in local languages. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah also got a chance to test his skills. Affiliation with Radio Pakistan proved to be a turning point in his life. In the beginning, he played small roles. There was a natural attraction in his voice, and the audience soon began to be attracted to him. Within a few years, he became one of the leading radio artists. There was realism in his acting, politeness in humor, and simplicity in dialogues. This was the reason why people of all ages used to listen to his programs with interest. Character of Dada Fateh Khan in the world of art. Some characters are born who become more famous than their creator. Dada Fateh Khan was also one such character. The character had the wisdom, experience, humor, and simplicity of a village elder. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah was young, but he presented the voice and style of conversation of an elderly person so skillfully that the audience was amazed. Dada Fateh Khan's dialogues were in public language. They had a glimpse of the fragrance of the villages of Sindh, folk wisdom, and social realities. This was the reason why people began to consider this role as an elder of their family. When the journey of popularity started airing Fath Khanji Kachari, the number of audience started increasing continuously. People remembered the timings of the program and listened regularly. The radio station used to receive hundreds of letters in which the audience would send their opinions, questions, and loving messages. It was considered the greatest measure of popularity of that time. Dada Fateh Khan not only provided entertainment but also promoted social reform, moral values, and cultural consciousness. There was advice and humor in his dialogues. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah aka Dada Fateh Khan, Radio Pakistan Hyderabad Day, when Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah's artistic skills were closely watched by the producers and senior artists of Radio Pakistan Hyderabad, he was given an opportunity in important programs. His voice had a certain sweetness, fluency and effectiveness. He was also skilled in making voices of various characters. This quality distinguished him from other artists. In the golden age of radio, the greatest honor for artists was the love of the audience. Dada Fateh Khan received this honor in a grand manner. From the remote villages of Sindh to the big cities, people used to wait for his voice. When the program was aired, people would leave their work and sit near the radio. From Gotani Kachari to Fateh Khanji Kachari, Gotani Kachari had a special place in the popular public programs of Radio Pakistan Hyderabad. Rural life, folk traditions, customs, humor and social issues were presented in this program in an interesting manner. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah played the role of Dada Fateh Khan in this program. His acting gave a new life to the program. Soon this character became the hallmark of the program. Later, the program titled Fath Khanji Kachari got more fame. In this program, Dada Fateh Khan used to talk as a wise sage, listen to people's problems, make interesting comments, and give full advice to his folk wisdom. The magic of public language. A major secret of Dada Fateh Khan's success was his language. He spoke such a simple, common sense, and public Sindhi that touched the hearts of people of every class. His dialogues were in the language of daily life rather than book language. He used rural idioms, folk proverbs, and public examples. This style made him popular in every house. Many people memorized his phrases and used them in daily conversations. This is considered a clear proof of the popularity of any artist. There were no mobile phones or social media in those days. The audience used to write letters to contact their favorite personalities. Radio Pakistan Hyderabad used to receive numerous letters daily expressing love and devotion to Dada Fateh Khan. Some listeners would write down their domestic problems, some would ask for advice, and some would just say that their entire family listened to the program. These letters were proof that Dada Fateh Khan had become not only an artist but also a man of the people. The beautiful combination of humor and reformation was definitely humor in the role of Dada Fateh Khan, but it was not superficial or substandard humor. Politeness, civility, and objectivity were found in his conversation. He used to criticize social evils in a light-hearted manner. Ignorance, bigotry, useless customs, and other social issues were highlighted through humor. The audience used to laugh and was forced to think. This is the hallmark of a successful artist. Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah, the protector of the culture of Sindh, played an important role in the promotion of Sindhi culture in his artistic life. He kept the traditions, folk wisdom, public language, and cultural heritage of rural Sindh alive through his programs. In his role, the wisdom and hospitality of the elders of Sindh were visible. The young generation also learnt and understood their culture and traditions through their programs. A combination of art and reality, Dada Fateh Khan's character felt so real that many people thought that an elderly person was really talking in the program. They were amazed when people learned that the role was being played by a relatively young artist. This success was a testament to Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah's extraordinary acting and artistic skill. In the eyes of fellow artists, many artists and producers of Radio Pakistan, Hyderabad used to describe Dada Fateh Khan as a very talented, hardworking, and sincere person. He was punctual, focused on character preparation, and tried to make every program perfect. His colleagues said that despite his fame, he was very temperamental and well-mannered. An example for the new generation, Dada Fateh Khan's life is a bright example for young artists. He proved that through continuous hard work, dedication, and sincerity, even a common artist can make a place in the hearts of the people forever. He never resorted to artificial fame or temporary popularity, but gained position with the power of his art. Travel from radio to television. When Pakistan Television started promoting regional programs, Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah's talent was appreciated there as well. His radio achievements led him to television, where a new and important chapter of his life began. After appearing on television, his popularity increased further, and he became one of the leading actors of Sindh. Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah aka Dada Fateh Khan arrival in Pakistan Television after achieving unprecedented success in Radio Pakistan Hyderabad. Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah's fame had spread throughout Sindh. His voice had entered the hearts of millions of listeners. But with time the media was changing. Now not only the voice but also the face was gaining importance. When Pakistan Television widened the scope of programs in regional languages, the need was felt for talented artists who are connected to the hearts of the people. Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah was among the few artists who made a successful journey from radio to television. His popularity on radio was already Muslim, so TV viewers immediately accepted him. Otak, a memorable program, Otak has a special place among the Sindhi programs of Pakistan Television. In the rural culture of Sindh, Otak is not just the name of a place, but also a symbol of interaction, conversation, advice, hospitality, and social connections. When this program started airing, the traditional life of Sindh was beautifully presented in it. Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah played the lead role in this program and made it popular among the people with his natural acting. His conversation, facial expressions, physical movements, and dialogue style were so natural that the viewers felt themselves part of the environment. The art of characterization was the complete development of Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah's greatest quality of character. When he played a role, he would leave his true personality in the background. Be it the role of Dada Fateh Khan or any other village sage, he brought each character closer to reality. His facial expressions, change of tone, choice of words, and manner of sitting and dismissal were according to the character. For this reason, viewers used to consider him not only as an actor but also as a real character. Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah not only preserved the Sindhi culture but also transferred it to the new generation through the spokesperson of Sindhi culture, Otak, and other programs. Through his acting, he highlighted the hospitality, tolerance, love, brotherhood, and folk traditions of Sindh. His characters featured the simplicity and beauty of rural life. This is the reason why their programs are not only a source of entertainment but also a cultural document. Popularity among the people. When Syed Saleh Muhammad Shah attended an event or public gathering, people were eager to meet him. Many people knew him less by his real name and more by the name of Dada Fateh Khan. Children, youth, elders, and women were all fans of him. When people in the villages saw them, they would gather around them with joy. Some people would ask him to listen to the same phrases that he used to utter on radio or TV. More than an artist, Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah also guided many young artists during his artistic life. He used to encourage newcomers, correct their mistakes, and explain them the principles of art. He believed that art is not only a means of gaining fame, but also an important means of serving the society. With his training, many young artists later became successful radio and TV names. Memorable dialogues and styles, like every great artist, Dada Fateh Khan also had a unique style. Some of his dialogues and sentences had become proverbs in public. There was humor in his words, wisdom, and experience of life. He used to explain common problems in such a way that the listener immediately understood. This was the reason why his programs were not only entertainment but also considered life lessons. National level recognition. Although most of his work was in Sindhi language, his fame was not limited to Sindh only. Sindhi speakers living in different parts of Pakistan used to listen and watch his programs with interest. The Sindhi community living abroad also recognized his artistic skills. He became such a representative artist of the culture and language of Sindh that the entire nation was proud of. Despite gaining fame and humility, Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah always kept humility and reluctance as his motto. He met the common people with love, respected the elders, and encouraged the youth. These moral qualities made his personality even greater. His close friends and colleagues said that he was a great artist as well as a good person. Continuation of artistic services, he was associated with radio and television for decades. With the passage of time, there were changes in the media. The new generation kept coming forward, but the popularity of Dada Fateh Khan did not decrease. People listened and watched his programs with interest. His voice and acting became part of the cultural heritage of Sindh. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah, a symbol of an era, was not just an individual, but a symbol of an entire era. He represented an era when art was given respect, language was given dignity, and culture was given importance. His life is proof that a true artist lives on in people's hearts, despite the passage of time. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah aka Dada Fateh Khan. The mature period of artistic life, the last period of Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah's life, was the period of his artistic maturity and public respect. After decades of service on radio and television, he had become an institution. His name was taken not only as an artist but as a representative and protector of Sindhi culture. His characters trained generations. People found life experiences, moral values, and social consciousness in his words. This was the reason that his popularity remained in the latter part of his life. Protection of cultural heritage. Dada Fateh Khan always emphasized that preservation of Sindhi language, literature, and culture is the responsibility of every individual. He played such roles throughout his life that reflected the local culture and traditions. For him, art was not just a name for entertainment, but an effective means of preserving cultural identity. Sindhi folk wisdom, rural traditions, hospitality, respect for elders, and social values were prominently seen in his programs. Message to the young generation. In his interviews and meetings, he often taught hard work, honesty, and continuous struggle to the youth. He said that there is no shortcut to success. A person who loves his art and works consistently will surely succeed one day. He proved these principles in his practical life as well. The capital of public love. The real wealth of every great artist is the love of the people, and Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah was rich in this wealth. His admirers were present in villages, towns, and cities. People considered him not just an actor but as an elder of his family. Many people used to give moral education to their children by giving examples of their characters. His programs were heard and watched by all the members of the house together. The opinions of fellow artists who worked with him were described by the artists and producers as a very talented and responsible person. He was always punctual, took great interest in preparing the program, and respected his colleagues. There was never pride or arrogance in their behavior. This quality made him stand out from others. A memorable personality. Whenever great artists are mentioned in the history of Radio Pakistan Hyderabad, the name of Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah will be prominently included. He proved that an artist can gain a permanent place in the hearts of the people with his hard work and sincerity. His characters are still alive in the memories of those who listened and watched his programs. Even in the last years of his last days, he was associated with art and culture. Although the health was not the same as before, their interest and love did not diminish. He was in touch with artists, writers, and cultural activists and gave his opinions for the promotion of Sindhi culture. The same simplicity, sincerity, and love that made him popular among the people remained in his personality till the end. died on 1st September 2007. This great artist of Sindh separated from his fans. The news of his death was heard with depression across Sindh. Radio, television, literary circles, and the general public described his death as a great cultural loss. Many people said that his departure closed a bright chapter of art and culture. Public reaction after his death, various newspapers, magazines, and broadcasting organizations paid tribute to his services. Special broadcasts were presented in his memory in several programs of Radio Pakistan and television. Artists, writers, and intellectuals shed light on his role and services. People also remembered him with love and devotion. Although Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah is not present among us today, his artistic heritage is still alive today. His voice, his character, his dialogues, and his style are still considered valuable assets of Sindhi culture. When the new generation studies the history of radio and television, the name of Dada Fateh Khan comes prominently. Dada Fateh Khan, a living tradition some personalities do not forget even with the passage of time. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah is also included in these personalities. He dedicated his life to art, culture, and service to the people. His hard work, sincerity, and dedication made him immortal. Dada Fateh Khan was not just a character but a symbol of Sindh's collective memory, rural wisdom, and cultural identity. Even today, when the golden age of Radio Pakistan Hyderabad is mentioned, his voice is remembered. When it comes to Sindhi culture, their role comes to mind. And when the list of great artists is compiled, the name of Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah alias Dada Fateh Khan is taken with respect. His life is a message for future generations that true art, sincerity, and hard work never end. Time passes, but such people live forever in history and hearts.